Hello everyone, this is Arkady from Joji5. Today we're going to do a quick dig-in video. In this shop we had a contractor that was doing some plumbing over here, and it took him about a day just to trench this part that you can see over there. And he couldn't finish the job today, so he asked us to help out and do trenching from that middle spot to the wall. Let's see how this R18 will do it in this hard-packed clay floor. The distance that we gotta trench is about 20 feet, and we will try to go 20 inches down. We will time how long it will take me to do it. Please keep in mind, I'm not a professional operator. I'm very much a novice, so I'm sure that some of the more experienced guys can do it faster. But anyways, we'll see what I can do with an R18. All right, to start it, first we're gonna turn the key to the left for about 5 seconds to glow plug it. Now we can start the engine. Lower our hydraulic lock. Give it more throttle. And off we go. Okay. We'll lower our blades to give us more stability. And let's begin. I got it. There we go. The big piece stuck in the bucket. Sticky clay doesn't want to get out. There you go. that's what we needed to dig. To dig that 20-foot trench, it took me 21 minutes. Since I'm not a professional operator, I was going slow in the beginning until I kind of get a hang of it and then start to move faster. So I'm sure that if you used machines before, you can do it a lot faster than I did. Overall, I feel that R18 is a fairly capable machine. As you saw, I was able to dig through wet and hard clay, and this clay was compacted with the heavy construction equipment that was used to build that shop. So I'm fairly satisfied with the results, and it's definitely faster than digging by hand. If you're going to have any questions about GOT5 equipment, including Rippa excavators, GOT5 excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders, custom attachments, please visit GOT5.com or give one of our dealers a call. And as always, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.